Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into fascinating topics that shape our travel experiences. In today's video, we're going to explore the power of passport, exploring global travel privileges. Have you ever wondered why some nationalities enjoy hassle-free travel, while others face visa requirements and obstacles? Well, we have all the answers for you. So, let's get started. Understanding passport power. Passport power plays a significant role in determining the level of travel freedom individuals enjoy. It's the key to hassle-free travel and unlocks a world of possibilities. But what factors contribute to passport strength? Let's find out. Factors affecting passport strength. Economic strength. A strong economy often translates to a powerful passport. Diplomatic relations. Positive diplomatic relationships can enhance travel privileges. International agreements. Participation in agreements leads to visa waiver programs. Security concerns. A stable security environment contributes to stronger passports. Bilateral and multilateral relations. Engaging in diplomacy and trade fosters travel freedom. Reciprocity. Visa requirements may be based on reciprocal actions by countries. Political stability. Stable political systems positively impact passport strength. Global passport rankings. So, how do different passports compare in terms of travel privileges? Let's look at the global passport rankings. Top-ranked passports. Japan. Consistently ranked as one of the most powerful passports. Singapore. Offers its citizens extensive visa-free access. Germany. A strong economy and diplomatic relations contribute to its high rank. South Korea. A passport with significant travel privileges. Bottom-ranked passports. Countries facing economic challenges, political instability, or security concerns have passports with limited travel privileges. Visa-free travel and its benefits. Visa-free travel is a dream come true for many travelers. Let's explore the benefits it brings. Ease of travel planning. No need to go through lengthy visa application processes. Financial considerations. Saving on visa fees and associated costs. Time saving. No waiting periods or paperwork delays. Tourism and economic impact. Increased tourism and economic growth in visa-free countries. Challenges for low-power passports. Unfortunately, not all passports grant their holders the same level of travel freedom. Let's discuss the challenges faced by holders of low-power passports. Visa application processes. Complex and time-consuming procedures. Financial implications. Visa fees and associated costs add to the financial burden. Restricted travel opportunities. Limited access to countries without visa requirements. Perception and stigma. Stereotypes and preconceived notions faced by travelers. Passport privilege and global citizenship. Is there a way to enhance travel privileges? Let's explore passport privilege and global citizenship. Dual citizenship. Access to better travel opportunities through dual citizenship. Citizenship by investment programs. Some countries offer citizenship or residency through investment. International mobility and opportunities. Powerful passports open doors to global opportunities. Efforts towards visa-free travel. Many initiatives aim to facilitate visa-free travel. Let's take a closer look. Visa waiver programs. Collaborative programs that promote visa-free travel. Visa facilitation agreements. Simplifying visa processes between countries. Regional integration and cooperation. Regional agreements promoting free movement. Diplomatic initiatives. Building positive relationships to enhance travel privileges. The future of passport power. What does the future hold for passport power? Let's discuss potential trends. Emerging global trends. Technological advancements and geopolitical shifts. Potential impacts on travel privileges. Changes due to climate, pandemics, and socio-political developments. Passport power determines our ability to explore the world. Understanding the factors influencing passport strength and the efforts toward visa-free travel are essential for every global citizen. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the power of passports and global travel privileges. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel-related content. Remember, the power of your passport shapes your travel experiences. Stay curious, keep exploring, and embrace the world with open arms.